So this is a quick demo. On Pocket Options. Pocket Options is one of the tools that forex traders use to trade, basically, just like using MT4 and MT5 to trade forex. You have also Pocket Options. This one is an option which you use to trade other derivatives, other forex pairs that uses other platforms or other systems to trade, basically, but they are a bit different in technicalities. So to go straight forward, short video, you go to your Play Store, download the Pocket Options or any other option that you want to trade. There are plenty of them, but I use Pocket Options. So this, as you can see, is installed and I have logged into the account. So you have to click on this so that you can go to the settings. You click on this to go to the settings. You have to go and do some settings there. You change your time zone so that you can have a time zone to trade with the US market. So you click on that. Having clicked on that, you come to your settings. You click on the settings here. So as you can see, my details, I have gotten my informations. I have clicked and installed. So you click on the settings and then you click on the time zone. This is the time zone. You click on it. You click on the time zone to change the settings. So when you come here, you make sure you select -4 UTC. -4 UTC. It is very important for you to be able to succeed in the trading when you go on real or even trading on a demo account. Now, having done that, that's the first part. Having done that, you have to make sure you go and set, since you're a beginner, you have to go on demo so that you can practice the demo. So here you click on demo. You have to go and click at this area. You click on it and it will open the demo tools for you. Having clicked here, you click on forex. So you can see forex, you have my safe, and here you have real trading. I was trading. I have a real trading account which I traded and I lost, and that was my remaining balance in the account. So you click on forex. When you click on forex, it will show you various MT4, MT5 demo, forex MT5 demo, forex MT4 real. On a different video, I will show you how to go on a real account. But for now, this is a training for demo. This is basically a training for demo. So having gone through this, you have to select a demo account. The demo will give you $50,000 for you to use. So I have selected the demo, as you can see, the demo, and then that's the second thing you have done, the second settings. The third settings for you to do, for you to be able to set, is to come to this area. You click on these three dots you see here. You click there and then you make sure you click on this. You click on that. That will show you. When you click on it, it will show you the patterns that you are going to use to trade. Whether you are going to use candle, whether you are going to use the candle, or you are going to use a line, or you are going to use a bar or Heiken. So normally I prefer, most forex traders use candles, to trade, and then some also use, the experienced ones will use the line. So currently what you see on our pattern here is a candle, the candle signal. But if you want to use the line, then you select the line and you realize that it will change. This is the line, this is the line, model of trading. It has changed. But as a beginner, it is advisable that you choose the as a beginner it is advisable that you choose the candle, so that you have a clear visibility of your trade, of your movement of the candlestick. It is very important. Okay, so this is the last part of it. So you have to click on this three dots here, so that you can select your indicators. The indicators are basically this side of the chart that will help you get the real signal. So you select here to select your indicators. So as you can see, these are indicators that I am currently using. It runs through forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. So you can see the indicators. I've selected them already, and those indicators automatically, when you select them, they will appear here. And so what this indicators does is that it helps you to get a good signal to take a position. So when your indicator on stochastic oscillator, when the indicator reaches the top blue line here, it means that the buyers have overbought. It has been overbought. The price has been overbought. So the possibility of it selling is very high. When also you are trading, and then the signal, this line here reaches below the 30 or below the 20 yellow line here, it means that it has been oversold. Then there's a possibility of it buying. The same as the RSI, the same as the RSI here. If the price is above, if the price, the line, the green line you see here is below the yellow line here, it means that the price, it has been oversold. So there's a possibility of being buying. So you look at these signals, these two, stochastic oscillator and then the RSI indicators. It gives you an overview of how you take a position on a trade, so that you can, within 5 minutes, you can take a win. So the fourth things that we have to do in terms of the settings for us to be able to win our trade is now to go, I think the fourth and the last one is to select your currency pair. These are the currency pair zone. So with the currency pair, you would have to come here, and then these are the currency pairs that is within the option system. So you have to know which currency pair basically will give you a much good profit within 5 minutes time. So you select, and then you trade on. Normally people trade, let's say, so you want to type GBP USD, so OTC. You always make sure you select the one that ends with OTC. Always make sure you select the one that ends with OTC. So this is a signal that gives you the the trade, the forex pairs for the trade. Now I think the fourth one will be for you to select your time, this time, and then the amount, which is very important. So now you come here, you enter the time here. You always make sure that your time is 5 minutes, which is M5 plus 5. You can also trade on 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes time frame. But in all these time frames, when there is a high possibility of you losing, and there's a high possibility of you winning based on your own signal and your own strategy. So, but many a time it is good you take 5 minutes, so that in event that the volatility of the currency pair is high, then you can easily win by 5 minutes. You understand? So when that is done, you have to make sure you always look at this side of the option they trade, because that is where the differences is going to come in. So here, as you can see, 17:45:25. So by the time it tends to 60, the signal here will change, and that is the 5 minutes time frame. It's always 5 minutes time frame, so basically we have done that. I'm waiting for us to take a first position on 5 minutes time frame, on 5 minutes. So we are now 45. So by 60 minutes I will take a position, and then we'll use that to close this demo trading on the pocket option. So we are waiting. It's almost time, 60. So I'm going to take a buy position. I took a buy position. So as you can see, I just took a buy position here. So it is selling, it is buying. So I took a buy position on 5 minutes time frame. If you want to check, like I said, this is your 5 minutes time frame, which will be showing from here, or you come here and then you see it from here too. You can see that I'm left with 432. So I took a position and I've invested $100. I've invested $100 on a rate. The rate would be here. So on the rate of 92%. On the rate of 92%. So if I win, I'm going to get $192 in addition to my demo account. So the $100 I was deducted from here. So if I win, the $100 will be added plus 92, making 192. But if I lose, then I'll lose the $100. So basically that's it. So we are waiting to see whether we are in a good position or we are going to be losing. As you can see, it is losing. Its level is small. Its level is small. We are going to be going high. We are waiting on this to be able to see whether we are losing or we are gaining. So we have 56 seconds to go. We have 56, 59, 48, 47. Yes, we are going. Let's see. Are we going to be losing? Oh, it looks like we are going to be making profit. It looks like, but anything can change. Anything can change. That's forex. That is trading. It depends on the volatility. So that is why it is very you see how volatile it is. It is coming down. It's the volatility. If the market is volatile, you will lose your finance. That is why you need a very strong indicators. You need a technical skills to be able to make profit when you migrate from the demo account to the real account where you are investing with a real money. You understand? Now we have made profits. We are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. Yes, we have made it. So you can see that the demo account has changed. The amount has changed, and we have closed the amount with $192. This is it. This is how much we have made. And so the 100 we have invested plus the 92, make it 192. That is how the trading is done. That is basically how it is when you are trading on options. This is the options. This is a demo trading practice. On my next video, I'm going to do the real practice where you have to deposit a real money either from Momo or from your cryptocurrency exchange, especially with Binance, which is what I'm very conversant with.